Oh, hello friends, on this video I want to share with you guys some place that you need to come visit if you're here in Myrtle Beach. You need to come visit Pier 14. So we park right here. This is 14th Avenue and Ocean Boulevard. There's a new amusement park, and there's Ocean Boulevard. A lot of traffic as usual. He had to stop.
Well, I know, but I feel like you guys should do it together, especially if neither of you have.
So we walk to the beach area, and we're gonna show you Pier 14. And here's the sign of Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. And it tells you right there the pier is that way. There it is. Yeah, so the Pier 14 is one of our favorite places to come to. Enjoy some drinks, appetizer, food. They usually have live music. Oh, check out this family doing a picnic underneath the pier. All right. Oh wow, the beach is packed. Here's a sign with the menu of the pier. Yep. And this is the guy that plays live music here at the pier. Babe, look at it, it's packed. Wow, the beach is really busy. Alright, so that's another restaurant. That will probably be another video, Riptides. But another place that you need to come visit if you come here. And they have the store side. Babe, let's go to the store side for a moment, please. And then we'll go to the restaurant. I want to show you guys the store side first. Thank you. Hey, your favorite machine. You want to play?
I'm going to play while you walk around.
All right. So this is the store where they have souvenirs and all that, and this actually connect to go to the pier. If you want to go that way, or if you just come to the store and walk the pier, you can come this way. Pretty good looking souvenirs. So in order to go to the pier, you have to pay right here. I think it's like $2. And they also sell pop and beers. Okay, so now we are walking inside of the pier area. And you can buy t-shirts. They have some picture here. Look at the picture. Many years ago when they started building the pier. So the restaurant is pretty big, and then of course there are some tables that are facing the glass so you can see outside, really nice. And here's a look at the bar. I wanna walk outside. We're gonna order a beer here and then we're gonna walk outside. Okay, now we're gonna walk outside. I got it. So as you can see, they have a bar, pretty good size outside. Check out the view here. Let's walk all the way until the end of the pier. A lot of people. Yeah, this is why we love coming here, and if you come visit, you should come here for sure. Really nice atmosphere. The restaurant inside is really nice. The food is not expensive. They have live music. They have a bar outside. You have this beautiful view. You can walk all the way until the end. Here's a look at the other side of the pier. Sometimes if you're lucky, you get to see some stingrays or even sharks. Now the other thing that you can do is rent a fishing pole and come here and fish, or you can bring your own, and I think you just pay a fee to walk the pier or something. Timing, good timing. Now the live music is gonna start.
This beautiful day in Myrtle Beach.
And I think this guy got the shark. Alright my friends, that's all I have. Pier 14 here in Myrtle Beach. Again, if you come visit, give it a try, come here, enjoy the good music, the food, the drinks, the views. You can take really good pictures of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.